Hi there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with the valuable tips and tricks to enhance your content creation skills. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to check for plagiarism in an article using free online tools. So, if you are looking for a cost effective way to ensure your work is original, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First of all, plagiarism is a serious concern in the world of content creation. It's essential to maintain integrity, give credit where it's due, and ensure our work is authentic. Thankful there are a free online tool have that can help us detect plagiarism in our article, saving us time and potential embarrassment. Let's explore some of these fantastic resources together. First of all, go your Google and search on the search bar. It is easy to use and provide a comprehensive analysis of your article. Let's take a closer look at how it works. To check your article for plagiarism on freeplagiarismchecker.com, simply visit their website and create a free account. Once you have logged in, you can upload your article or copy and paste the content directly into the text box. Here you can see the text box. Insert your text here and check the plagiarism. Here I write a letter, for example. I copy the text from here and paste our article here. Follow the tips and tricks. Click on I am not a robot and click on check plagiarism. Here you can wait a couple of minutes. Here you can see it can give me 0% plagiarism content, 0 matches. You also download the report, check grammar and start a new search to click their button. And another free website I can share with you. There is a small SEO tool. It has its own unique feature and strengths, so feel free to explore them and find the one that suits your needs. For plagiarism in your article does not have to be a costly endeavor. With the help of free online tools like search the plagiarismdetector.net. So let's make use of these tools and continue creating amazing content. I hope you found this video helpful. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.